So, for today I would have needed a specific outfit. Either a samurai attire or a sword or a mask. I know there's a mask. It's still hanging there, but I dare not take it away from the wall because everything might fall down. But hey, I have a sword somewhere. But then again, it's pretty cringe and anyway. We are checking out a band that I discovered very early on in 2012, if I remember correctly. A band from Finland called Whispered. They proclaim themselves as being true Finnish samurai metal. Sounds very cringe? It is not cringe. It is melodic death metal. It's freaking nice. It is freaking exciting. And it is very well written. And they have finally returned. I've been waiting for this day since the last record, Metsutan, Songs of the Void. It came out in 2016, so yeah, 10 years basically, since they released stuff. It's been very quiet, and I have very high hopes for this. The song is called Ikikaere, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. It means basically reborn or like revive in Japanese, which again fits the term. They are finally back. And yeah, I'm expecting, so first of all, what to expect with Whispered? Definitely, if you like Winter Sun, Flash God Apocalypse, this kind of thing, expect something similar. But then again, they use a lot of traditional Japanese folk instruments like koto or erhu and all these very folk instruments. And I think it fits so well with the theme, it fits so well with the genre they proclaim. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this, and I'm guessing there's a record dropping probably this year, hopefully so, because again, it is way, way overdue. And yeah, so let's check out Whispered, Ikikaere, and we'll see what this is all about and what they have in store for us. Exciting times, exciting times. Whispered, let's go. Shamisen. Yes. Epic. A lot going on in the background. Yeah. Very melodic. Ooh. Really so much going on. Oh. Feels so good to see them back with such a freaking epic track. Yes, 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 please. Give me more. I need a solo. Coming. It is coming. I can feel it. What a transition. Where is this going? Okay, not what I expected, but damn, I'll take it anyway. Oh, okay. Okay, they are not messing around. Oh, it feels very, very good to see them really re-emerge from the depths, because it's been so freaking long. And this has everything I love about this band. It has obviously the Japanese instrument. You heard them, you saw them, and the whole atmosphere is very, very oriental, or in that sense Asian inspired. And also their text, their lyrics, very often it's mythological, so a lot of demons, yokais, whatever you want to call it. Basically, you take Ghost of Tsushima and you write metal music about it. Or everything that is great about Japanese, like games, video games, mythology, they are doing it so freaking well. And I think this song is definitely the best example for what fresh melodic death metal should sound like. Okay, even if you want to bring your aspects like the Japanese aspects into it, this is extremely well done. I really, really, really look forward for the record. I'm sure there will be one. I haven't checked on whether it's new, so news could be out already. But then they will not return just like that with one song. Definitely not. So I'm expecting a freaking record, and I'm expecting epicness, as you can tell by now, latest. If by some chance, because this band is not very well known, you haven't checked out what they did previously, I really suggest that you should check out Whispered, and the whole discography is really great. If you're a fan of Wintersun, I will not obviously compare them to Wintersun, it's a totally different game, but it is definitely on the same level, might even be fresher as some of the other melodic death metal bands that are currently doing this kind of epicness. Very glad to have done this reaction video. Yeah, I'm excited, and I hope you are too. If you're not, it's also fine. Like and subscribe, the usual. Check out Whispered and check out what else Comedy has in store. So we'll see each other again very, very soon. And until then, yeah, keep your swords sharp and yeah, samurai madness, I guess. Cheers.